자꾸 몇 번씩 굴려 좀 기다려줄래 어떻게 난 말려든 것만 같아 너의 밀당이 오더라도 뜸들일래 나 왜 기다리고 있는지 잘 모르겠어 네 맘도 내 맘도 사실 난 매일 너를 생각해 조금 더 나를 위해 기다려줄 순 없니
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to show you how to make 5 Korean instant ramen noodles cooking at one time successfully. This is something you might think is, Seonkyoung, did you really have to make video about this? Like, what is the next? How to boil water? Maybe, okay? You know what? Basic is very important, and to me, cooking big portion of ramen noodles is really not that easy if you never done it before. Like, you can't even eyeball the water amount anymore if we get to +3. So that's why I made this video. Hopefully it's helpful. So let's get started. In a large wok or large pot, bring 10 cups of water to boil. This is the first tip to cook a lot of ramen noodles at one time. So you actually need to use a little bit less water than what it requires. For 5, it's actually 2,500 millimeter, but I'm using only 2,000 millimeters, 500 millimeter different. I don't know what it is, but when you're cooking a lot of ramen noodles, following the direction, water just not work. Into the water, I'm actually going to add a handful of sliced dried shiitake mushrooms. This is completely optional. I just love these mushrooms in my ramen noodles. And while we are waiting the waters to boil, we are going to open up all the ramen noodles and take all the inside seasoning packet and the dried vegetable packet. And this is the tip number 2. You wanna go ahead and shake it up, all the seasoning package and the dried vegetable package like this, and then open it up and add it right now. This way, actually, the dried vegetables have a time to, rehydrate. And if you don't this step ahead, you're trying to do all that 5 or 10 packets, trying to open and putting on after you add the noodles, most likely overcook the noodles. So actually really important to put all the seasonings and dried vegetables before the noodle gets in. Now the soup is boiling. We are going to add all the noodles. And as soon as you finish adding all the noodles, you have to keep stirring non-stop. So this way they will cook evenly, and Korean ramen noodles actually become better texture if you keep lift up, put it down, lift up, put it down, lift up, put it down. This is actually street food vendor's secret. Get some cold air and going back to the hot water. This technique will make your noodles is a better, chewier texture. When the soup is start boiling again, this is the time you need to add the eggs. If you like to add some eggs, and if you say no, I don't know why. Why don't you want to put eggs in instant ramen noodles? Why? That's against the law. My law, not your law, maybe. My law. If you want to break up the egg, you can definitely do that. I personally like to just poach the egg in the ramen soup. So later on, the egg will come out as a poached egg in the ramen soup. What can be better? And just open it up, the egg yolk just ooze out. Oh, you call me. Add some green onions if you like to. Since this is 5 instant ramen noodles, I add a bundle of green onions that I cut into 2 inches long. Eggs are cooked to your like, noodles are cooked to your like, then turn off the heat and serve with kimchi. you cannot serve ramen just itself. You have to serve Korean instant ramen noodles with kimchi. If you don't serve without the kimchi, that's also against the law in this kind of case. Okay, it's wrong. It's so wrong. You can't eat it. You have to eat Korean instant ramen noodles with kimchi. Cabbage kimchi, really sour green onion kimchi, or like really sour 총각 kimchi, the ponytail radish kimchi, also really good. That's it, how easy to make big portion of instant ramen noodles at home. Comment below, let us know, or let me know, not, I keep saying let us know because Hanyul and Jacob is over there. But comment below, let me know what would you like to put in your instant ramen noodles and what your favorite instant ramen is. It doesn't have to be Korean instant ramen noodles, just let me know, maybe I want to try. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longest. I forgot to say thumbs up this video if you liked this video. Okay, thumbs up. And we'll see. Now I keep saying we will see you. I will see you next time. All right, thank you guys. Bye. 김치랑 먹어야 돼. The egg cooked a little more than I expected, but it's okay.
Still perfect. Had to have the kimchi on it.
This is how I look like before the makeup when I'm just filming the food shot.